There's a strange thing happening in modern life. A lot of people look financially successful, but very few actually feel financially secure. You see it every day. Nice car, updated phone, good clothes, regular takeout, a clean apartment in a decent area. From the outside, everything looks fine. Yet behind the scenes, money still feels tight. Not because income is low, but because stability never arrives. So the real question isn't how much you earn. It's whether your lifestyle is designed to impress or to protect you. Let's take a very normal situation. A young professional in the US or Europe earns the equivalent of $65,000 a year. After taxes, health insurance, and social contributions, that's roughly $3,800 a month hitting the bank account. Nothing extreme, nothing luxurious, just solid, respectable income. Now the money starts leaving. The mistake isn't irresponsibility. It's something more subtle. Most people design their lifestyle to signal success, not to build safety. We're surrounded by visible wealth, cars, apartments, vacations, but almost never shown the invisible part, emergency funds, low fixed costs, financial flexibility. So we copy what we can see. The system quietly encourages this. Financing makes expensive things feel affordable. Monthly payments hide total cost. Credit makes today comfortable at the expense of tomorrow. Nothing feels reckless in the moment. Let's take just one example. That $450 car payment. Over 5 years, that's $27,000, not including insurance, fuel, or repairs. If instead, that money stayed invested at a modest 7% return, it could grow to roughly $38,000 over time. The difference isn't the car, it's the lost flexibility. The same math applies to lifestyle inflation everywhere. Furniture, gadgets, subscriptions, finance convenience. Individually, they feel small. Together, they quietly control your future. This isn't about poor discipline. It's about psychology. Humans are wired to prioritize present comfort over future security, especially when surrounded by peers who appear to be doing better. We don't want to feel left behind. We don't want our life to look smaller than it should. So we spend to maintain identity. Not happiness, not safety, identity. And once a lifestyle is set, reducing it feels like loss, even if it improves your life. Over years, this creates a strange outcome. Income rises, but savings don't. Stress stays constant. Job dependency increases. Risk tolerance disappears. You're not poor, but you're not free either. And that's the part no one posts about. Financially secure people don't obsess over appearing successful. They design their life around low pressure. They ask quieter questions. How long could I live if income stopped? How expensive is my normal month? How much of my life is optional versus mandatory? They delay upgrades not because they can't afford them, but because flexibility is worth more than appearances. Their spending supports peace, not validation. Looking rich is loud. Becoming financially secure is quiet. One depends on perception. The other depends on math and behavior. This isn't about deprivation or extreme frugality. It's about choosing a lifestyle that works for you, not against you. If this way of thinking helped you see money a little more clearly, consider liking the video or subscribing for more calm, realistic discussions like this. Nothing dramatic, just clarity.